Hi everyone. In this problem, we will be computing a binomial distribution using the Ti-84 calculator. Brian is performing data entry for an insurance company by taking handwritten records and entering them into the database. Thus far, 15.6% of the handwritten records have had missing data that prevented them from being entered into the database. If Brian takes 10 handwritten records, what is the probability that at most 3 records will be incomplete? Round to 3 decimal places. So for this problem, we need to use the binomial CDF option. In order to use that, we need to go to the distribution menu. So on the vars key, we'll see DISTR, which is distribute. So we're going to click on second because the DISTR is in blue. So now we're going to scroll down until we find option B, which is binomial CDF, and click on enter. If you have an older calculator, this menu option might not appear. I will show you in a second what you would do to remedy that. So the number of trials in this problem is 10. Click enter. The event probability is 0.156, and we'll click enter. The X value is 3, and you can click enter. Incidentally, you can either click enter or you can arrow down. And now that we are hovered over top of paste, we will click enter. If you have an older calculator, this menu option may pop up first, in which case you'll see binom CDF, parenthesis. You can enter 10, comma, and the comma key is above the 7, 0.156, comma 3, close your parenthesis, and then from here, regardless of what type of calculator you have, you can click on enter. Now the problem asked for the probability rounded 3 decimal places, so our answer is 0.943. And now we're done.